This is an introductory video from the Bureau of Economic Analysis, U.S. Department of Commerce, for the BE-10 benchmark survey of U.S. direct investment abroad. In this video, you will learn about the BE-10 benchmark survey, if you have to participate, and what forms you must file. The Bureau of Economic Analysis produces comprehensive statistics on U.S. direct investment abroad that are essential to the compilation of the U.S. economic accounts and for the analysis of the activities in multinational enterprises. The statistics derived from data collected on the survey are available in considerable detail by country and by industry. These statistics are presented in interactive data tables on the BEA website. The annual and benchmark surveys of U.S. direct investment abroad are conducted to collect current economic data on the operations of U.S. parent companies and their foreign affiliates. BEA collects this data annually from U.S. companies with larger foreign affiliates on the BE-11 survey. Every fifth year, BEA conducts a benchmark survey of U.S. direct investment abroad, known as the BE-10, to collect data from U.S. companies with foreign affiliates, both large and small. All U.S. companies that own a foreign affiliate, that is, that had direct or indirect ownership of at least 10% of the voting stock in a foreign business enterprise, must file a BE-10 survey. The U.S. company is referred to as the U.S. reporter in the BE-10 survey. A U.S. reporter is defined as any U.S. person that had a foreign affiliate at any time during the U.S. person's 2014 fiscal year. A U.S. person is any individual or entity that resides in the United States or is subject to the jurisdiction of the United States. The BE-10 is being conducted under the authority of the International Investment and Trade and Services Survey Act. Under this law, the filing of reports is mandatory, and your company's information is confidential. Whoever fails to report may be subject to penalties. For additional information, please review the BE-10 instruction booklet. The data you provide are confidential and may be used only for analytical or statistical purposes. Your reported information cannot be used for purposes of taxation, investigation, or regulation, and copies retained in your files are immune from legal process. Without your prior written permission, the information filed in your report cannot be presented in a manner that allows it to be individually identified. The due date of the BE-10 depends on the number of BE-10 B, C, and D forms the U.S. reporter is required to file. A U.S. reporter filing fewer than 50 forms has a May 29th due date. A U.S. reporter filing more than 50 forms has a June 30th due date. The BE-10 forms can be filed using our electronic filing system, e-file, at www.bea.gov/e-file. The e-file system enables reporters to download the survey forms in PDF format for each reportable entity, enter the required data, save the data, and submit the form securely to BEA. Electronic filing saves taxpayers money and is completely paperless, fast, and easy. E-file is BEA's preferred filing method. To log into the e-file system, enter your username and password, and then click Login. If you have forgotten your username or password, you can click here to recover either. New users of the e-file system must create a username and password. Click on the link in Step 1 to register for a new account. You should also click on this link if you have used e-file in the past, but have not used it since BEA implemented its new username login procedure in late 2014. First-time filers can either submit a paper copy or contact BEA to set up an e-file account. If you have additional questions, you can click on the link for how to use e-file or watch the video tutorial. For paper filing, you can mail your completed reports to BEA using either the U.S. Postal Service or a private delivery service. The address is different depending on which service you choose to use. Addresses are printed on the front of the survey forms. The BE-10 survey covers all U.S. companies that own one or more foreign affiliates, regardless of the size of their foreign affiliates. In some cases, the U.S. reporter may own just one foreign affiliate. In other cases, the U.S. reporter may own many foreign affiliates. The BE-10 collects various financial and operating data items from the U.S. reporter and its foreign affiliates on the BE-10 forms. Financial data includes assets, liabilities, total sales, and net income. Operational data includes fiscal year end, ownership structure, products and services, and industry classification code. The BE-10 survey includes BE-10A, B, C, and D forms. Each U.S. reporter files a BE-10A form for the U.S. parent company. Each U.S. reporter files a BE-10B, C, or D form for each of its foreign affiliates. Because the BE-10 is only filed every 5 years, some respondents may be seeing these forms for the first time. We would like to give you some helpful background about each of the BE-10 forms. The BE-10A form is used to collect survey data from the U.S. reporter. The data pertains to the fully consolidated U.S. domestic business enterprise for the U.S. reporter's 2014 fiscal year. The U.S. domestic business should include all of the U.S. and the District of Columbia, Puerto Rico, and all the territories and possessions of the U.S., while excluding foreign branches and other foreign affiliates. For BE-10A, BEA uses assets, sales, and net income of the U.S. reporter, whichever is greater, as a reporting criterion to determine whether the U.S. reporter needs to complete the entire form or only part of the form. If the assets, sales, or net income of the U.S. reporter, positive or negative, is greater than $300 million at the end of 2014, then the U.S. reporter needs to complete the entire BE-10A form. If the assets, sales, or net income of the U.S. reporter, positive or negative, are all smaller than or equal to $300 million at the end of 2014, then the U.S. reporter needs to complete only items 1 through 42 and 97 through 114 of the form. The BE-10B, C, and D forms are all for foreign affiliates. Each foreign affiliate files one form. Which form to file for each foreign affiliate depends on two factors. 1. Majority or minority ownership by the U.S. reporter, and 2. The size of the foreign affiliate, which is based on the size of assets, sales, or net income of the foreign affiliate, whichever is greater. A foreign affiliate is either majority-owned or minority-owned by its U.S. parent. A majority-owned foreign affiliate is the one in which the combined direct and indirect ownership interest of the U.S. reporter of the affiliate exceeds 50%. A minority-owned foreign affiliate is one in which the U.S. reporter owns between 10 and 50% of the affiliate. Here's an example of how to determine ownership of a foreign affiliate. This U.S. reporter owns 80% of foreign affiliate A, which makes foreign affiliate A majority owned directly by the U.S. reporter. Foreign affiliate A directly owns 70% of foreign affiliate B. We get the indirect ownership of the U.S. reporter in foreign affiliate B by multiplying 80% by 70%, which is 56%. Because the indirect ownership of foreign affiliate B by the U.S. reporter exceeds 50%, foreign affiliate B is majority owned indirectly by the U.S. reporter. Foreign affiliate A directly owns 60% of foreign affiliate C. We get the indirect ownership of the U.S. reporter in foreign affiliate C by multiplying 80% by 60%, which is 48%. Because the indirect ownership of foreign affiliate C by the U.S. reporter is between 10 and 50%, foreign affiliate C is minority owned indirectly by the U.S. reporter. To determine whether to file a BE-10B form, answer two questions. Was the foreign affiliate considered majority owned? And were the affiliate's assets, sales, and net income all greater than $80 million at the end of 2014? If the answers to both questions are yes, then complete a BE-10B form for this foreign affiliate. The BE-10C form collects data on 3 different types of affiliate. 1. Majority-owned affiliates that have assets, sales, or net income between $25 million and $80 million. 2. Minority-owned affiliates that have assets, sales, or net income greater than $25 million. And 3. Foreign affiliates that have assets, sales, or net income less than $25 million, and that own another foreign affiliate that was filed on a BE-10B or BE-10C form. Recall that a majority-owned foreign affiliate is one in which the ownership interest of the U.S. reporter in the affiliate exceeds 50%, and a minority-owned foreign affiliate is one in which the U.S. reporter's ownership interest in the affiliate is between 10% and 50%. The BE-10D form collects data for foreign affiliates that have assets, sales, and net income that are all less than $25 million. However, foreign affiliates that own another foreign affiliate that was filed on a BE-10B or BE-10C form must file a BE-10C form instead of BE-10D. If the U.S. person was notified by BEA about the need to file the survey but had no foreign affiliates during its 2014 fiscal year, it must file a BE-10 claim for not filing. No other forms in the survey are required. The due date for the claim for not filing is May 29th. You can submit it by mail to the address on the form or by faxing it to 202-606-5312. BEA uses a secure messaging system to correspond with you via encrypted message to discuss questions relating to the survey. Use of the secure messaging system helps us to ensure that the data you have provided is kept confidential. There are times when we may use your email address for survey-related announcements or to inform you about secure messages. When you email outside of the secure messaging system, please do not include any confidential business or personal information. If you have any questions about completing a BE-10 survey, please contact the BE-10 staff at 202-606-5566. For additional information on the BE-10 survey, including video tutorials, blank forms, instructions, and the e-file system, please go to www.bea.gov/DIA. The U.S. reporter may request an extension of the filing deadline by completing the request for extension from the above web address. This concludes our introductory video on the BE-10 benchmark survey.